Most people think water only matters when you're thirsty. But even mild dehydration can affect your brain, digestion, energy, and appetite. Let's see what really happens inside your body when you start drinking more water every day step by step. Number 1. Sharper brain power. Your brain is about 75% water. Even losing 1 to 2% of body water can reduce attention, memory, and focus. When you drink enough water, headaches are less frequent. Mental fatigue decreases. Your brain cells communicate efficiently. Studies show proper hydration improves short-term memory and cognitive performance. Number 2. Smooth digestion and gut support. Water helps your body break down food and move it through your intestines. It also supports the mucus lining of your gut, which protects digestion. When you're hydrated, constipation reduces, bloating decreases, your gut works more efficiently. Science fact: adequate hydration is strongly linked to improved bowel movements and digestive health. Number 3. Natural appetite control. Your brain can confuse thirst with hunger. Drinking water before meals reduces unnecessary snacking, lowers calorie intake naturally, helps control sugar cravings. Science fact: research shows people who drink water before meals can consume up to 75 fewer calories per our meal. Number 4. Boosted energy and muscle function. Water supports blood volume, allowing oxygen to reach muscles faster. When hydrated, physical performance improves. Fatigue decreases. Your heart doesn't work as hard. Science fact: dehydration of just 1% can reduce physical performance and increase perceived effort. Number 5. Glowing skin and temperature balance. Water helps regulate body temperature and maintain skin hydration. Hydration effects on skin: reduces dryness, supports elasticity, helps your body cool efficiently. Science fact: proper hydration contributes to skin barrier function and comfort, though it doesn't magically clear acne. Hydration tip: don't overdo it. Drink water consistently throughout the day. Check your urine color. Pale yellow equals well hydrated, dark equals drink more. Drinking more water is one of the simplest, most effective habits for overall health. If you learned a thing or two from this video, please leave a comment telling me which healthy habit you want to improve, and subscribe for more videos on what happens to your body when you build better habits.